We have here an 18th century oversized map of Italy. It's got a nice decorative vignette cartouche at the top right, and all of Sicily, Sardinia, and Corsica are shown. It's got a trimmed lower right blank margin right here as issued, because this was to the fold line to here. It was originally issued folded up. If we flip it over, we'll see that there's a very nice tissue repair done right here that blends right in. And there is a very almost invisible tissue repair here to a split in the blank margin. That if we flip it over, it was this little split right here in the blank margin that repairs that. And this is a short little tear here. There's a light bit of faint offsetting, but the map displays very well. This outline hand color is original, and this map is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.